Good morning, OPOS Chef. We'll be doing the Muttar, mushroom, Malai, Methi, Maggi. So 4 M's. Okay. I'll start with slicing the onions. Slicing the onions make them leak out a lot of water, which will then become the juice for the Maggi. If you do not want the mushrooms to leak water, you need to use them whole. Stop the stopwatch. A green chili for the bite. 1 or 2, as much as you need. And let me just hydrate the noodles. 1 cake of noodles, some taste maker. This is the kasuri methi. 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, 1/4 cup of water. Crush it all. And in a few seconds, you will see that the noodles get hydrated. They'll absorb all this water. This is all the water that is needed for the noodles to cook well. They'll become a very nice, fluffy version of themselves after cooking. Mix in the fresh green peas. As much as you like. The loading is likely to take us around, my hands are wet. The loading is likely to take us around 3 to 4 minutes. Cooking should take another 3 to 4 minutes. We are using the noodles, the green peas inside the noodle bowl because we do not want them to overcook. If you put them at the base of the pot, they'll get overcooked. Start loading the pot. 1 tablespoon of oil. That's enough for the mushroom to get nicely roasted. You can add some onions if you like. I'm not adding any. So spread out the mushrooms and the chilies as a bottom layer. Ensure that there is enough buffer so that the noodles do not touch the bottom and start burning. And over this, I probably could have added a few more noodles, but anyway, let's see. Over this, just add the hydrated noodles. A layer. Close and cook on high for a couple of minutes. And let's get ready for plating. By the time we clean up and get ready for plating, the noodles should be done. So I'm just mixing some fresh cream and plate it or bowl it. That's the first whistle. I'll let it go for one more whistle. Or two more if you like. If you want nice roasted mushrooms. I'll stop at 2. Release the pressure. The mushrooms have got nicely roasted. There is a very slight amount of charring. You can mix this in. As long as it's not black, it's fine. You can add a lot of flavor to your dish. This is perfectly fine. Just mix up everything. The noodles look nice and fluffy. And they smell really good. Now just mix in some fresh cream. Just to convert it into a creamy version of itself. And you'll get one restaurant-sized portion. Methi, Malai, Muttar mushroom Maggi, or the foreign Maggi. Done from scratch in under 8 minutes. Looks good, no?